DJ Flame It Up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiana, and I'm here to try something new on my, well, it's not new on my hair. I used this before, but I'm here to show you guys the product I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using Olaplex No.3. And this is a bond builder, so it's not a protein treatment. When you have colored hair, permed hair, and your bonds are broken, so you just want to build them back together, so like little holes in your strands. So this is going to make the strands close together. Not much of a protein treatment, because protein adds protein in your hair for like elasticity, brittle hair stops from breaking, but this is more of like when your hair is stripped from color. This is color, or like perm. This is what it's used for. So my hair is color treated. I love this stuff, so we're gonna use, I'm gonna show you guys this. All right, so I'm gonna read what it says on the back. So it says use before shampooing. This is not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. So you use 1 to 2 times a week, and use on towel dry hair. Apply generous amount from roots to ends. Leave on for 10 minutes or leave it on for longer if desired. Rinse hair with shampoo, deep condition as normal, and that's it. I used this product when I got my hair trimmed about a year ago, and my stylist was like, you know, your hair is colored, it's breaking, and it's not really curling, so I'm gonna do a bond treatment. So she used this, and I instantly saw my curls popping right back together. Okay, so I'm gonna go wet my hair with water, and then I'm gonna add this onto my hair. Alright, so I have my spray bottle here. I like my new little spray bottle, but let me put a towel on. Alright, so I have my water here. I'm just gonna spray my hair. Okay, my hair seems like it has gotten longer and thicker, so I'm excited about that. Alright, split it down the middle. Alright, so we're gonna work on the back section. Gonna come out. Now I got the bigger size bottle. This was $56. The smaller one is 4 ounces. This one is 8.5 ounces. That one is $25. This one was $56. And you don't honestly need much. And also, since my hair is like in the sun, I also want to protect my hair, because the sun will damage your hair. So this is really good for that as well, especially if you go to like the beach a lot. Definitely use this. So you can already see like my curls are just loving it, and I am finger detangling. All right, so now I'm gonna work on the other section, since the hair just wants to get in my way. Alright, so I just finished applying it all over my head. So I'm going to let this sit in my hair for about 20 minutes. And then I'll be back when I rinse it out. Yeah, so you can just see, look at all of my definition. This is crazy. And my hair feels a lot thicker. I don't know what I've been doing. I don't know if it's the cut. So yeah, so I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes, and then I will be back. I rinse it out. Hey guys, so I'm back, and if you hear like a little bit of music, that's because I'm on hold with Apple, because somebody's trying to scam your girl. But I just finished washing out the Olaplex, and my curls are juicy. My curls are super juicy, and I didn't even shampoo my hair as of yet or deep condition, but my curls are bouncing back. I just wanted to read to you exactly the difference between Olaplex and a protein treatment is, and I basically explained it correctly, but it says Olaplex is a rebonding treatment, especially when you have perms, relaxes, texturizes colored hair, bleach hair, keratin treatments, and amino acid treatments. So that is going to reshape your hair and give your hair back elasticity, so your hair doesn't break off. Olaplex is not a protein treatment. The protein treatment Afro-G is used to temporarily fill in the outer layers of your hair, like I said, and you use that 4 to 6 weeks, and you use that after bleaching, perming your hair, and any other chemical treatments. Use a protein treatment if your hair is breaking off, if it's sticking together, if it's feeling like spaghetti, if it's like limpy. That is when you use a protein treatment, and versus the Olaplex, which is works on the outside of your hair, penetrating the cortex, and that is responsible for giving you the color and the texture of your hair. So again, not saying if you have like color damage that Olaplex is going to be your easy 1, 2, 3 fix. You'll have to use it over time. Hopefully it can like save your hair, but if you do like a little bit of color and it's like only on your ends, and you know, you just feel like a little dryness, definitely use the Olaplex and it will work. Trust me, I used it before. It works. So yeah, so that is my hair, and I'm about to go wash my hair. Look at my curls, like they look so good. My hair loves Olaplex. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Kingston Curves, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.